Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like, that subscribe, and don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way you'll get notified every time I upload a video. What are we doing today? We're at the Rolling Throttle booth down here at Smoky Mountain, Tennessee at the mall, and what we're installing here is a Sawicki speed pipe on a Pan American. That's right, I'm actually not doing the install, but we have the one and only Rolling Throttle. She's Rolling Throttle. I'll put their website down below and all their social media links, which is on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So first thing you want to do is you want to take off that top nut and bolt, remove it to release it. Now we're going from a Screaming Eagle pipe muffler to a Sawicki speed, and this is not much louder than stock, the Screaming Eagle. No offense to Screaming Eagle and everybody else, but you know, it is what it is. Next is you want to remove. You gotta remove the foot controls, because you gotta be able to get back here to this clamp to the header pipe, and so you gotta be able to kind of shift everything out of the way. Yeah, right on. But we're gonna make this Pan American sound like a real Harley Davidson. Yep. And I'll do a sound clip at the end of this video so you guys can get a really good idea what this thing's gonna sound like when it's done. But it is a nice looking Pan American. It's in that yellow and white. And there's the bolt he's talking about right down in there. It apart right there. What? Yeah. Oh. This one's gonna be difficult. Now, if you have the bag guards too have to come off to facilitate getting to this clamp. There we go.
Sunken on a nasty banana.
There we go. There we go. Got it out of the way. Nope, not yet. Not yet. But he'll get it. Yeah. Loosening up that clamp. And once that clamp is nice and loosey-loose, we should be able to just move this right out of the way and remove the pipe. Should. In theory.
Twist it.
That should come right out there. That's the Screaming Eagle.
I wonder what happens to my gloves.
It's a little warm. There's a ride in, it's a little warm. Hey, everybody, look who I ran into down here. The one and only Droop Moto.
What's up?
How you doing, Droop? You have a good ride down here?
It was alright.
It was adventurous.
Yeah.
It's always adventurous.
That's what makes it fun.
Exactly. Here's your pro tip, guys. It gets a little warm after riding. If you don't have gloves, grab some rags. Protect your hands. It's the truth. Got to protect your hands from the heat. I won't lie to you.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, that thing was a bitch.
Yeah.
All right, so to get that resonator out, there's a bracket in there also we got to get to, so that whole assembly needs to move up out of the way.
But it's a pain in the butt because it's also hooked to your center station.
Yeah. They just don't make it easy.
No, they don't.
Love the engineers.
Yeah. All right, sweet.
Can you pull back at all?
Hang on.
Hanging on. The right gazette works on everything. Can't really get on it, guys. Sorry. But we'll get this off. After this bracket is released, that resonator section will come right out. The nice thing about the Sawicki, there's no resonator section. And in the words of Sawicki Speed, disturb the peace.
Yeah, I know.
So here's the bracket they had to get to, which is deep inside of here. Right there. So it's a pain to get to, but have no fear. Dallas Face Mullet and Rolling Throttle has it covered.
Yeah, because our expert exhaust installer decided to go right around.
Yeah, well, the employee of the month is fired.
I want to go see Jay. I love Jay.
I'm glad we got that on camera.
Now, what was that?
This is the words from Tweedle himself. He said, I need to go see Jay. I love Jay. Left lane is my life.
There you go. You heard it here first.
Yeah, I know, but
Okay, I just let you know.
So here we go.
he wanted that one.
It's all one piece instead of the two pieces that the Screaming Eagle came with the resonator pipe and then the muffler. This is all one piece pipe going from the head pipe to the muffler, which is actually kind of awesome. You get rid of the resonator, you increase a little volume of exhaust flow and also a little loudness to it, which is awesome. To give you an idea what it looks like once it's installed, here's another one they just did here at the rally. I think it looks awesome, and it sounds great too. But once we get it on, I will show you what it looks like on, and then we'll fire it up, and you'll hear it here first. Lamp in the right position. Now we're just mounting the pipe.
Awesome.
I know I'm going to be selling a lot of
Send
these.
them to us. We'd be glad to help them. I know, ain't that pretty?
Ooh-wee. Look at that. You got the top bolt in. Time to tighten her up.
Which one is it that has the narrow band sensors?
What are you talking about?
Babe.
And the final step is tightening up that clamp from the muffler section to the head pipe. And you can see it's still a pain to get to. But he'll get it. There you go. And the final assembly is just putting the foot peg back, the bracket for the foot peg and for the center stand. And guys, it's that easy to do it yourself, but if you're at the rally, you can get them installed while you're here. Or anywhere out of the rally you see Rolling Throttle at. So always come check out Rolling Throttle. They have everything you need for your bike. The most important things you could do, guys, after putting on your new pipe, or if you ever take your exhaust off and put it back on,
Nasty fingers off of it.
get your oily fingerprints off of it, because if you don't, it will burn into that and it'll never come off. So, woo. Yeah, nice and clean and pretty.
I know what this guy's looking for.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, we're all waiting for this.
Okay.
Fire it up.
Okay, I knew that there was this, a tin can.
There you
That's
go.
why I wanted that.
That's what I'm talking about. Sounds like a Harley. Sounds awesome. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Hey, if you like this video, please give me that like, that subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification. This way, you'll get notified every time I upload a video. Until the next time, you live the best life you can. Ride often and ride hard.
Like and subscribe.